Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new tower power supply. So it's a, as you can see on the top of the box, it's drawing. It's a like tower shape AC power supply. So it has in total 8 AC outlets. Each of the outlets has 230 volt AC, and it has also two USB A and one USB Type C fast charging ports. It has also the itself's power on off switch, and also in total this outlet has 3600 watt power rating. So, and obviously it's made in China, but it's a good product. As you can see here, it's ROHS and C certified. So it's the standardized product for European Union. I ordered it through Amazon, and it cost me around 25 euro with 1 year of warranty. Okay, so let's open it. And we can see the brand name is TESSAN. So here at first, as we all know that every electronics product, it comes out with some user manuals or user guide, kind of documentations. Yes, and here the main product. So this is the main power cord, and okay, it's a very useful power outlets in office or in home, in both places. It feels it's very strong, this cord. Okay, so here is the brand name, and two USB A, one USB Type C fast charging, and one off switch for this whole outlet. And in the back, two AC outlet, front two AC outlet, left side two, and right side two. So in total four. Eight. Yeah, 8 AC outlets. And here is also an indicator for when we turn on. Then also the indicator shows that this whole outlets is turn on. And also it has one extra benefit. It's a protected option. So it has built-in internal fuse that it can protect from the over voltage or low voltage. And in the bottom it's written all the technical specs. As we can see that it's the total power is 3600 watt maximum. And yeah, we all know that in Germany the house power supply for AC is 230 volt, and here we can see that the type C is 15 watt, so we can charge fast charge with it. And here all the certifications, and it's written that the company mainly bring it from China, the company name, the company based in Frankfurt. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.